everyone. So right away getting into the intro, I'm getting ready for work right now. I literally have work in an hour, so I'm kind of in a rush, but I wanted to do a Valentine's Day look, so I figured I'd record it just to step up my game with YouTube. I literally rolled out of bed and started doing my makeup. But yeah, so I'm just gonna do a look. I don't really know what look I'm aiming for, but it's Valentine's Day, so I know I want to work with like reds and pink. I might do glitter, I'm not sure. So I think I just want to do something like really simple. I think I do just want to do reds, and then maybe I'll do like a red and with pink glitter in the eye, and then maybe something with like a white liner. Okay, yeah. Obviously, I'm taking the James Charles palette today, and I think what I'm gonna do for my transition shade first is shit, Dusty. So I'm gonna use this one right in my transition shade, right under my brow bone. Coming up with new looks is so hard, I gotta say. But I was like looking at inspiration pictures, and I just wasn't, like, nothing like sparked my eye. Okay. I think what I'm gonna go in with next is, we'll try this, I don't know how to hold this. Sure. This shade right here, don't know what it's called, I threw away the names, but it's kind of like it's a red, kind of with like an orange peachy undertone, kind of like a burnt orange. I'm just gonna pack that in on my crease. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take that first brush that I used for my transition shade and go ahead and just blend that out. I really like how that turned out, actually. It's kind of like a peachy coral. Next, I think I'm going to pack in this really pigmented red. Holy shit. Ah. I'm just going to pack that in just a little bit under the crease. Kind of like directly into the crease. And my crease is really low. I'm actually just going to blend that out with the brush that I'm using. Don't normally like using this brush to blend out. I kind of only like it to pack in colors, but we'll see how it works. This is the Morphe E17. My transition shade brush was the M511, and my first crease shade was this brush from BS Mall. I got these brushes from Amazon. My boyfriend's mommy actually got him for me, so I'm just doing circular motions to kind of blend upwards. Number one tip for blending: use a light hand. So next, just real quick, I'm going to take a completely clean blending brush. This is the Morphe M535, and I'm literally just going to continue to blend. This is a more fluffy brush. The last brush was more dense and packed. And it's okay if it looks a little bit messy on the lid because we're going to be cutting it. Okay, so real quick, I'm not going to be cutting my crease with concealer. I'm going to be cutting my crease actually with a glitter primer because I think I'm going to be going over it with just a nice, like, shimmery color. I'm going to be cutting it with a M224 brush from Morphe. I'm just gonna do like a straight, like, what is that called? Like an oval crease. I'm just gonna go ahead and spray my brush with whatever's left of my Mario Badescu spray. Not a lot. And then I think I'm going to be taking these two shades right here, mixing them together, and then just going right onto that glitter primer. Alright, same thing, just on the other eye. Okay, so I'm in the school cafeteria right now, so I don't want to talk too loud, but I don't know what happened to the footage after this, whether I just wasn't recording or if it got deleted, but pretty much all I did was I applied the shimmer shade on my other eye, I lined my eyes with eyeliner, and then I put on lashes. The lashes were Lily lashes in the style Miami, but it was like a limited edition, Valentine's Day edition of the lashes, which was really fun. And then I went in and did my face makeup. I didn't record that just because it would have been way too long, but I have another video coming out of my everyday makeup routine, so it'll be there eventually, so sorry about that. I'm sorry I look like this. This is what I look outside of YouTube. Bye. Okay, so I just finished my whole base makeup, and then I'm gonna do something fun, but first I'm gonna go in and do my under eye. Alright, so I just smoked out that lash line with the deep brown shade here, James Charles palette. And then next what I'm gonna do, like I said, I'm gonna do something fun. I'm just gonna take, this is like a really old e.l.f. brush. I think it's like the buffing brush, blending eye brush. And I'm gonna take that red that I used from James Charles. I'm just going to blend like a little bit of a red right here. Y'all probably know what I'm about to do. I'm gonna take this hot pink right here. And I'm gonna take this white eyeliner from NYX. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna draw a heart. Cute. My peach fuzz is really coming through. It'd be ideal to shave your face before this. That looks so cute! I'm gonna put some liner mascara on. Okay, and here's gonna be my favorite part. I was gonna go in with glitter, but I think literally what I'm just gonna do is not use the James Charles, try to find something else real quick. I'm gonna go into the Anastasia Modern Renaissance palette. Same thing, wet my brush, this is from BS Now. And I'm going to take the iconic shade Vermeer, just like this shimmery pink color. And I'm just going to put that right into my inner corner, because that's where the pink can come in. Okay, it's probably weird how it just like cut in the middle of the video, but my phone ran out of storage when I was recording, and I had to leave. I was gonna be late for work. So I'm actually done my shift now. I'm home from work, and I needed to film an outro, so here I am. This is the finished look. I'm gonna tell you what I used for my inner corner, and then what I used for my lips. And then I'm going to take this all off because I work at my second job tonight, and I'm not going to my second job looking like this. So, sad. But my inner corner, you guys definitely saw, I used the shade Vermeer in my inner corner. And then I think I ended right when I was about to put the glitter on. I used the NYX Glitter Brilliance glitter in 02 Rose. So it's just this like nice pink glitter. For my lipstick, I just went in and I exfoliated my lips first with this e.l.f. Lip exfoliator. It's like a lip scrub. It's in brown sugar. It smells so good. But it's not too harsh of like a lip scrub. You just scrub your lips and rub it off, and then you put chapstick on, and then your lips are nice and smooth. I used the NYX lip liner. This is so used, like this is almost gone, but it's in the shade Natural. And then I went over with the NYX Lip Lingerie in Lace Detail. So yeah, I mean, then I just set my face with my MAC Fix Plus. But I'm just gonna finish this video here. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I know it was a little rushed because once again I had to go to work. If you're going out for Valentine's Day, hope you have a fun and loving and enjoyable Valentine's Day, whether you're dating or you're single. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and my social media will be down in the description box below, as well as on the end screen, so you can follow me on there if you want. Yeah, I'm gonna go get ready for my second job. Thanks for watching, guys.